Welcome to class 5th. Children, let's see lesson number 1. What is history? I already told you what is history, the meaning of the history, and which sources we use to write the history. That already we discussed in the previous videos. So today I am going to teach you a new topic. That topic name is topic number 1.3, history and us. History and us means here in this point we are going to discuss what is the relation between we and history. So let's see. In previous video I explained you the meaning of history. History means a science which tell us about the past. This I already explained you in the first video. Let's see next point. History means a science that tell us about past, and the next point is history help us to find out the answers. Children, why do we study of the history? Because history helps us to find out the answer of our questions. Some incident which already happened in the past and they effects on the future of us, so that we need to study of the history and get the answer from the history. Next point, every village, city, district and country has its own history. What is the meaning of this sentence, children? In the world, each and every village, city, district and country has its own history. Means every village has different history. Every district has different history. Every country, every city having different history. And when we study of the particular city, particular village or particular country of the history, we get knowledge from that study of the history, and we get more information about that particular country, village, whatever. Children, one more point is there. Not having village, city, district, country to his own history. Similarly, the earth, mountains, water bodies, animal world, plants and etc. has their own history. Yeah, children, that means everything in this world having its own history. And history also tell us life story of good people. And inspire and motivate us. History also telling us the good life story of the good people like Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Abraham Lincoln, Mahatma Gandhi, and etc. Good people in the world. So the history also tell us the life stories of good people, and we get inspiration and we motivate from the stories of the good people, and we can get life story from the history. And next point, history help us history help us to development development of our society. History help us to development of our society. Meaning of this sentence, when we study about the history, we getting the knowledge of people, how they are fight for development, and they work together to change society rules. Sometimes they fight individually to develop the rules of the society, and sometimes it lead good changes, favorable changes. Sometimes it's rule bad changes or unfavorable changes in society. So with the study of the history, we are going to fix the favorable changes, and we use that changes we use that favorable changes to develop our society. Students, welcome to class 5, and see let's learn next point, past and future. So in this point we are going to discuss what is the relation of the history with the past and future. Children, I already told you history tell us about the past events. So let's see. History tell us about past. That I already explained you. The next point is there are relation between past and future. There are relation between past and future. So what is the relation of the past and future? Let's see. Past means what? Past means reason. Past means reason of any incident, any event. And future means what? Future means result. RESULT. Result of the event. Past means reason and future means result. So let's explain this reason and result, how to relate to past and future with an example. Children, we people of India fight with the British to get independence. So they fight. It's past. And what the form of future? We get independence. They fought for the country to getting the freedom, to get the independence, and the result is we get independence as a result of future. So children, history help us in progress of physical, mental, and with the study of the history, which events already happened in the past, we progress. What progress? A physical, mental and intellectual development.